Sayan, can you listen to me? Those who are not muted, please mute yourself. Nandini, please write me yes or no. If you can listen to me, you can you see to me? Am I visible to you? Please write yes. Prithviraj Ghosh. Prithviraj, you should join in one oak, not in one pine. Ayush Vakat, please mute your microphone. Okay. So today in your grammar book, I will start that special names. Chapter number 2, special name. Chapter number 2, special name. Again, who are unmuted always? Shayon Barui. Rudraditya, why you are not wearing the school dress, beta? Okay. Very low. Okay, please listen to me. So now, today I will tell you about special nouns, special names, special names. Special names. What is the special name? Those who have learned that nouns. I already teach nouns. Nouns are called naming words. Nouns are called naming words. Nouns are called naming words. So there only you have learned name of the person, name of the things, name of the river, name of the mountains, name of the month, name of the festivals, name of the date, everything you have learned. That is called naming words. 4 things you have learned. Name of the person, name of the animals, name of the things, and also name of the, I have told you the name of the date and day and name of the festivals, name of the months. But one thing now, for special names, what I am telling, noun means if I am telling a girl, a boy, whatever girl or boy. But at the same time, I can tell you, if I am tell you that Otri, Nandini, Jasim Ali Dafadar, only special people, I am Jasim. So these 3 people means that is in class 1 oak. Okay. That is in class 1 oak. And everybody, Onkita, Oshmita, everybody. But I am telling that is the special name, special name. For a girl, I can tell all the girl. But if I am telling Rima, that is for the only Rima. That is for special name for a person. Special name for a person. If I am telling special name for your pet, somebody's dog's name is Tommy. Place name I can tell the school name, school, market, hospital. But if I am telling the Burdwan Model School, only one school, only that special school for the Burdwan Model School. So school, if I am telling, I told this place name, school, market, and also for that school, market, hospital, park, anything I can tell you. But At the same time, who is talking in this class? Who? So at the same time I can tell this is pet name. Pet name. But pet's name, anybody's pet's name. Boy's name, boy also noun. But boy's name, Raja, if I am telling. That is special name for that. So special name is the name for that we should tell that the special people. Special means only one people. Okay. So months of the year have special. If I am telling months also name. So that is also noun. But if I am telling January, that is also special names. Special features means special names. If I am telling the place name, any place. I told that place name, any place. The city or town, that is also noun. But special, city means Kolkata and town is Burdwan. Town is Burdwan. Okay, so that is the special. And one thing you should just notice that this B, this K, all these are capital. River names, river's name, the Ganga. G capital here. So capital river's name. Yes, the Ganga. We can tell why I am telling the Ganga. That is another thing. But please write the Ganga, the Godavari, the Damodar. All these we should write in capital. River's name. Then we can tell festival's name. Festival's name. Like this. Christmas. Christmas. She for the also she capital. Obviously Darbhanga, Durga Puja, Christmas, Eid, all these we should write. That capital letter and also Eid. So these are capital letter for the special noun. Okay, again also we can tell that special days. Like this here, city, town I am telling. So another thing also I am telling the special days. Special days, Independence Day. Independence Day. Do you know when is India's or our Independence Day? Yes, Onam also. Onam is a festival of Kerala. Okay. Do you know when is our Independence Day? Yes, 15th August, Republic Day. So, here 15th August. Just see, August also AUG. AUG, that is also August. We can tell also that is also capital letter. Okay, that is 15th. Republic Day, that is also we can write in the Republic Day. Republic Day. Do you know when is our Republic Day? Do you know, beta? Yes, 26th January. So all these are here also. Look, January, the month's names, when the special names of the months, we can tell that is also capital letter. Here also capital, here also capital, here also capital. So that is called 26th January. Okay, that is our Republic Day. Here, please listen to me. Okay, and remember that all the special name we should write in a capital letter. We should write we should write all special names in capital letter. Okay, please remember this. Whatever we are telling that any boy's name, any girl's name, any place name, river's name, and also at the same time river's name, and not only that river's name, hill's name, mountain's name means the Himalaya. That is also the Himalaya. I think everybody heard the name Himalaya, the Everest. Everest is the name of the peak. So all these are special names because only one we can get. The Ganga, the Godavari, the Moyurakshi, the Damodar, everything we will write in capital letter. Okay, so please remember this, all this like this. And also here one thing, they have told the name of the place, also name of the monument, like the Taj Mahal, Gate of India. Not only that, Taj Mahal, Gate of India, monument, anywhere. Howrah Bridge also the name of the place and also special name. So there also we can tell that is the special name. So I think you have understood what is the special name. If you are having any problem, please ask me. And please remember, the special name should be started in special only capital letter, and that should be also in one thing. Okay, and special people, special things. You cannot see me, Trishita. You are telling that actually I have shown the board. I am just little bit side, and besides that, if any problem, I think you are having some internet problem. Okay, so that is the thing for. Please remember all these things. Please remember these are the special names. Next day I will give some sentences. You have to identify what are the special names. So let me see who are present in my class. And those who are in class 1 Oak, they should join in 1 Oak. Those who are in 1 Pine, they should join in 1 Pine. Nobody should join 2 classes. Okay. Arush Ghosh, Ayan Mukherjee, Afrin Sultana, Ombika Dotto, Onkita Das, Orgho Mondal, Ushmita Haldar, Ushmita Bhabok, Otri Das, Oviraj Hajra, Ayush Bhakot, Goirika Mondal, Gronthana Kundu, Inakshi Nondi, Jasim Ali Dafadar, Kanishko Chandra, Moyuk Maji, Shrestha Nag, Nondini Ganguli, Prithviraj Ghosh, Priyam Karfa, Priyankari Das, Rudraditya De, Shayan Barui, Shimran Saha, Sauhardo Roy, Srijan Bhattacharya, Trishita De. So please do the class properly. Next day I will do this grammar class. Okay beta? Bye. Have a nice day.